Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Welcome back to the channel, and this time I will show you how I built my rear diffuser to make this Passat look a little less boring. I started with the exhaust because the muffler was in the way and it needed to go higher in the car so that the diffuser can fit under the rear bumper. Here I have a template made from cardboard and I tested different sizes of wings, and just the overall shape was easy to cut from cardboard. Then I drew the outline of the template here on this 3mm sheet of aluminum and cut it with an angle grinder. Then I needed to get some bends to the sheet, and this is what I used as a bending machine, just some flat bar and 2x4s where to pull, and I tried to get the diffuser to about a 10-degree angle, which is close to the optimal for airflow. Here the sheet is being test fitted after bending, and it's starting to fit into the car, and it was quite a job to test it many times and then go back to bend it and so on. But also here is one wing to kind of see how it looks like. And then here we have rest of the wings being measured in their positions, and I also needed to kind of like copy the profile of the bended sheet on these wings so that they sit nicely. And then this setup here is for keeping them in place and also in a 90-degree angle, and so that I can put a couple tack welds on them. It was quite challenging, but after thinking enough and figuring out how to get them to stay here, it went okay. And now they are all with a couple tack welds on the sheet, and that wasn't too bad, but later when I welded them more, the sheet wanted to deform from the heat of the welding, and it was quite challenging to control it and try to keep the sheet straight, but yeah. And this setup here is to be able to weld these little side wings on the edge of the sheet here, and also to keep them on a 90-degree angle. Welding these side wings went pretty good, and this is the result. And then here I'm making some brackets to get the diffuser stay in the car, and I'm just drilling these aluminum pieces to get some bolts through them, and I just bolted these onto the car, and then I have some threaded bar with these long nuts so that I can adjust the position and also to get the diffuser to the correct height so that it fits correctly. And here are the stainless steel fasteners which I used, and one bracket was made from a piece of pipe. And then here is the diffuser in the car, and I made these new exhaust tips also, but I didn't record it. But I think this is starting to look like a diffuser. And I wasn't brave enough to cut away the tow hook, because after all it's a Volkswagen, so you never know. Then I needed to make those little cutouts on the edge of the seat for the exhaust tips. But anyways, here you can see how it looks after some black paint. And then this is the end result, and I was quite happy how this turned out, but let me know in the comments what you think about it. And thanks for watching.